What if I told you that now you can generate unlimited AI cartoon-style videos completely for free? Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden charges, and no watermark at all. You can create stunning, high-quality animated videos where the background music is already perfectly added, the visuals look professional, and everything feels ready to publish. And that's not even the best part. You can even add real lip sync to your characters. Your animated character can speak any dialogue you want, with realistic mouth movement and natural expression. So if you've ever wanted to create unlimited AI cartoon videos without spending money, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. I recently discovered a free AI tool that does all of this on a single platform. And the best part is that it gives you everything completely free. But before we move forward, just take a look at these amazing videos.
You think you're the hero? I'm what happens when hope fails.
I sealed the northern skies, but it's breaking through.
Whatever's rising will it against fear.
The core's overheating. If it explodes, the whole kingdom resets.
The message must get through! Faster, pigeons! We're almost there! The timeline is breaking, and if we don't fix it before midnight, the kingdom will vanish. Hold steady, big guy. Almost got it. Yes! Power levels are spiking!
All of these were created using a single free AI tool, and just look at the results. The background sound is already added, the motion is smooth, the lip sync looks natural, and there is absolutely no watermark. Everything feels polished and top-notch, all on one single platform. The tool I am talking about is Grok AI. Simply go to Google and search for Grok AI, click on the first link, and you will land directly on its official homepage. Simply sign up, and your dashboard will be ready to use. Now let's begin our journey. Before creating our first video, we need to adjust one simple setting. Click on the Settings option, go to the Behavior section, and disable the Automatic Video Generation option. This will save your time, prevent unnecessary credit usage, and give you full control over when your video is generated. Now let's create our first video. Click on the Image option and switch it to the Image to Video mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio depending on the platform where you want to post, whether it is YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. After that, enter your prompt and click the Generate button. Within just a few seconds, the video starts generating. The waiting time is surprisingly short. And here we go, the video is ready. Just look at the result.
The timeline is breaking, and if we don't fix it before midnight, the kingdom will vanish.
The quality is high, the character speaks the dialogue perfectly, the motion is smooth, and there is no watermark at all. Simply download it and it is ready to post. Now, to check consistency, let's generate another video. I repeated the same process, entered a new prompt, clicked generate, and again within moments, the second video was ready.
I sealed the northern skies, but it's breaking through.
Whatever's rising will it against fear.
The result was once again impressive, smooth animation, clean dialogue, and professional visuals. I continued repeating the same process and generated several more videos. And here are the results.
Force never panics, but today, even the spirits are afraid.
It's not just ancient, it's personal. And if it's after her, we're already late. Destiny doesn't scare me. Losing you does. We're not afraid of broken fate, because we fix things together.
As you can see, the quality remains consistent. The motion feels natural, the dialogue delivery is accurate, and everything looks refined and realistic. For a free tool, this level of performance is honestly surprising. With this platform, you can generate as many videos as you want. And if you ever run out of credits, you can simply create another account and continue creating. Now you have seen everything step by step. The opportunity is in your hands. Start creating high-quality AI videos, post them on your social media platforms, grow your audience, and even monetize your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section. We will continue bringing powerful and practical AI tutorials for you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.